Welcome to the MERTS instructional video to download the MERTS software. Begin by navigating to www.mertsplus.com. Select Software Downloads. Select the Candidate module. Enter the username and password provided by the Bureau of Elections. Select OK to continue. Select Run to begin the download. Select Run again to verify that the software is secure. Continue to select Next until you get to the Finish screen. Select Finish to complete the download. The software will launch automatically. For instructions on using the software, please refer to the MERTS video library or the MERTS user guide. Thank you.